How to fix Snapchat messages not showing. If you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and that bell on for more notifications about this kind of videos. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to a speed test. As you can see, my internet is fine, but if your internet is not fine, just go to your notifications bar and you can actually turn on or turn off your Wi-Fi, or you can as well turn on and turn off your airplane mode. In this way, this will reset your Wi-Fi and connectivity. Or you can as well switch between data and Wi-Fi for your connectivity. So this will actually solve your problem with the internet. And the second option is go to your settings, go to app management, app list, and search on Snapchat. So we are here on Snapchat. So you can see what we're going to do is go to permissions. So many things are actually denied in this app. What you're going to do is allow all these things. So once you have allowed all of it, you are good to go. Next thing is to actually go to battery usage. So once you are in battery usage, there are things or options like battery restrictions. So you must turn off those settings such as battery restrictions. And go to data usage or status usage. So we're just going to clear the data of this app to reset it. And the last thing, or the third one, is go to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. So once you have seen the Snapchat and there are available updates just like this, just simply update your app and this will clear all of the problems or all of the files that are missing. That's it. I hope this is helpful and see you on the next video.